Porsche Premier Tire and Wheel Protection covers you where the rubber meets the road. Every day, your tires come in contact with hazards like glass, nails, potholes, and debris, and Porsche offers a comprehensive way to protect them. Porsche Tire and Wheel Protection replaces damaged tires, repairs cosmetic wheel damage, never plugs or patches tires, reimburses towing, has no deductible, and is transferable if you sell your vehicle. Repairs are performed at an authorized Porsche dealer using original manufacturer-approved parts. Your coverage is not restricted by vehicle mileage and will continue even if you replace your tires. Porsche Tire and Wheel Protection is available for purchase by itself or as a part of a Porsche multi-coverage protection package on any new, pre-owned, or certified pre-owned Porsche vehicle. Keep your tires in tune with the road with Porsche Tire and Wheel Protection.